Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, team of employees from SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant wins coveted Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar in Class A category. Karamveer Award function held at Projects Office of SAIL RSP.
Induction heater commissioned at Mechanical Shop of SAIL RSP. Program on Preventive Vigilance held at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant.
Programs organized at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to mark Qawmi Ekta Week. Winners of story writing competition on COVID awareness awarded at SAIL RSP.
Constitution Day observed at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Mock drill organized at CPP-1 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to strengthen disaster preparedness.
Srujani Neelakam Awards function held at HRD Center of SAIL RSP. More than 200 persons examined and treated in a health camp organized by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant at Padampur Gram Panchayat Kualmunda.
New advanced ovation distributed control system commissioned at Power and Blowing Station of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Mushroom cultivation training imparted by SAIL RSP to the nearby villagers.
SRM LTE module goes live at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, RSP, making rapid strides in digital transformation. Karmaveer Award function held at Shops Department of SAIL RSP.
In-house overhauling of boiler equipment by the enterprising employees of CPP-1 Department of SAIL RSP helps in cost-saving endeavor of the plant. Elocution competition for students conducted by SAIL RSP to mark Janjatiya Gaurav Divas.
Now the news in detail. A team of employees of Instrumentation Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has brought laurels to the company by winning the coveted Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar in Class A, which is the highest category of the award for the performance year 2018. Notably, the prestigious award is being presented by the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. The distinguished employees who have been selected by the ministry to receive the award are Mr. Prakash Kumar Patra, Master Technician, Mr. Santosh Bukhra, Mr. Ranjan Kumar Das and Mr. Partha Sarthi Jena, all senior technicians in Class A for a job executed in Hot Strip Mill 1. Congratulating the employees, Mr. Amarendra Prakash, Director in charge Bokaro Steel Plant BSL and Rourkela Steel Plant, said that the plant is proud of their achievements. He exhorted them to continue to their enterprising endeavors and bring further glory for the steel plant. Notably, the team successfully installed and commissioned 2 new oxygen analyzers for online analysis and monitoring of oxygen percentage in the fuel gas of reheating furnace 5 and 6 in Hot Strip Mill 1. The innovative intervention helped in eliminating the problems of oxidation, scale generation, wastage of fuel and breakdowns, thus enhancing mill availability and productivity. It is worth mentioning here that slabs received from casters are heated at high temperature in reheating furnace 5 and 6 at HSM 1 before rolling to produce hot rolled coil. In the heating process, oxygen content in the flue gas is maintained in the range of 1 to 2% to prevent oxidation, scale formation and the subsequent breakdowns. In the earlier process, oxygen percentage was being determined in the laboratories by collecting the flue gas sample intermittently. Based on the analysis of air gas ratio for each zone of the furnace was being set to regulate combustion of air and mixed gas. It used to lead to a wide variation of oxygen in flue gas, resulting in oxidation and associated problems. The team analyzed the problem threadbare and came up with an innovative solution. They made provision for continuous online analysis of oxygen percentage in flue gas. They also facilitated in maintaining desired oxygen percentage by dynamic correction and control of air and gas flow in each zone for combustion with necessary modification in logic and program. The new oxygen analyzers were commissioned and logic and program modification were done in DCS accordingly. The effort showcases the innate creative potential of the employees of RSP who have time and again proved their worth by winning many coveted awards at national and
प्रकाश कुमार पात्र इंस्टॉलेशन डिपार्टमेंट रो हॉस्टेल काम करूछु हमें हॉस्टेल गोटे नूतन प्रोजेक्ट देथिलु जोटा कि हमको 2018 मसीह राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार भाव आमको मनोनीत कर निजक बहुत गर्वित अनुभव कर
मु संतोष बुखरा कहूँ इंस्ट्रुमेंटेशन डिपार्टमेंट रु मु हॉस्टी मिल रु आम काम करूँ आमर जो O2 ऑक्सीजन इंस्टॉल करिछु जोटा कि न्यू अपग्रेड करिछु बहुत पुराना थिला एवं जो अपग्रेड करिछु सेटा आम मैनेजमेंट रो सहायता देकी थिबारु बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद किंतु आमे जो करिछु सेटा आज एते बेनिफिट अछि जे आम पूरा हॉस्टी मिल प्रोडक्शन उपरे बहुत प्रॉफिट आसी फर्नेस रो मेंटेनेंस उपरे बहुत भलो रिजल्ट आसी ऑक्सीजन करेक्शन भितर एते सुंदर करेक्शन होउछि जहा फल रे आमर फर्नेस रो लाइफ टा बढ़ी जाईछि।
ना रंजन कुमार दास मु इंस्ट्रुमेंटेशन डिपार्टमेंट रु कहूछि जे आमे ई जो प्रोजेक्ट हॉस्टी मिल विभाग रे करियछु तेणु आम द्वारा आरएसपी आमको यह सुजोग देवार हम बहुत थैंकफुल टू आरएसपी।
मो नाम पार्थ सारथी जेना हॉस्टेल इंस्ट्रुमेंट कहूँ आम ये जो विश्वकर्मा राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार पाइचु ताद्वारा आम आगु को आगु नुआ नुआ किसी करने प्रेरणा पाइचु।
A Karamveer Award function was held at Projects Office Building of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 27th November. Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, graced the occasion as a chief guest and handed over the award to Mr. Budhiram Samal, Technician Projects. Present on the occasion were Mr. P.K. Sahu, CGM Projects Commercial, Mr. A.N. Mishra, CGM Projects, Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GM in charge Personal Works, Mr. S.K. Mehratra, GM Personnel and other senior officials of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Pradhan commended the sincerity and commitment of Mr. Samal and encouraged him to continue the good work. Mr. Samal was awarded for his creativity, upkeep and maintenance of the project building garden and the beautification of the premises. Ms. Shubhra Rajeshwari, Assistant Manager Personnel and Mr. Manoranjan Sharma, Senior Manager Projects coordinated the event.
In a function organized at Mechanical Shop of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 26 November 2021, Mr. A.V. Rajasekhar, CGM in charge Mechanical, inaugurated the 50 kVA induction heater. Present on the occasion were Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, HODs of Centralized Maintenance, Senior Officers and employees of the department. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sekhar Narayan, GM Mechanical Shop. The induction heater is used for heating and dismantling of assemblies and sub-assemblies for different plant units. Previously, assemblies and sub-assemblies were heated for dismantling and fitting of spares as a requirement of shrink fitting with mixed gas flame. Mixed gas was available to mechanical shop through a 650 meter long MB 150 pipeline. Maintenance of this long mixed gas line is quite tedious and expensive. Approximately 10 lakhs of maintenance expenditure used to be incurred for maintaining such a long mixed gas line. After carrying out all this exercise, availability of mixed gas was very poor, which was resulting delay in heating of assemblies. Under the guidance of CGM shops, it was proposed to procure an induction heater to eliminate these problems. The installation of this device will help in getting rid of maintaining such a big, expensive and time-consuming mixed gas line. The department will now be able to heat the assemblies at local required place without heating the entire jobs in a very less time. The base cost of the induction heater is about rupees 7 lakh, while it will enable the company to save around rupees 50 lakhs per annum towards maintenance of mixed gas line, gas and others. A 2-day-long training program on preventive vigilance awareness was held at HRD Center on 26th and 27th November. Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge, MM and Marketing, presided over the inaugural session and administered the vigilance plays to all. Ms. Rajashri Banerjee, CGM HRD, Mr. M.K. Gupta, GM Vigilance and ACVO were present in these sessions. In all, 31 participants from different departments of RSP are attending the program. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Mohapatra stressed upon the need of transparency in documentation, processing and public dealings. He also emphasized upon self-discipline and preventive vigilance to fight the evils of corruption, which has a direct impact on the society. Speaking on the occasion, Ms. Banerjee urged all to ensure transparency while handling public fund. Mr. Gupta underscored the need of promoting ethical values in public life and becoming more conscious of these credos while working in a public sector setup. The program focused on the purpose and role of Vigilance Department and its core activities, procurement, procedures and CDA rules for executives. For an in-depth understanding of the subject, case studies were used as a tool of training. A film on preventive vigilance was also screened on the occasion. The sessions were taken by Mr. B.K. Yadav, GM Vigilance, Mr. Hara Mohan Raut, Senior Manager MM Purchase, Mr. J.P. Shukla, DGM Vigilance, Mr. N.C. Panda, DGM Personnel, Mr. C.M. Besra, DGM Personnel and Mr. Nihar Ranjan Parija, Senior Manager MM Purchase. The concluding session was presided over by Mr. P.K. Sahu, CGM Projects Commercial. Mr. L. Marandi, Manager HRD, coordinated the program.
Employees of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant and students of RSP schools participated in various programs organized to mark the Qomi Ekta celebrations. It is worth mentioning here that RSP and its township is a beautiful amalgamation of diverse cultural and ethnic groups from across the country, working and living together and joining hands towards the nation-building endeavor of the country. A multilingual poetry recital program was organized at the Rourkela Steel Television Centre, RSTV, in which employees and members of their families belonging to different states of the country presented poems penned by famous poets from various Indian languages. Titled as Kavita Kunj, the program showcased the mini India nature and culture of the plant. Another program, Sanskriti Ki Surabhi, was also organized at Rourkela Steel Television Centre, in which students of Ispat English Medium School, Junior Section, Sector 18, presented a kaleidoscopic of the cultural harmony of the country. Wearing the traditional costumes of different states of India, they spoke about the respective states and their culture, apart from performing to the classical folk dances associated to that region. The program, organized under the guidance of Mrs. Sushrita Das, headmistress and teachers of the school, aimed at making the young students connect with their roots as well as appreciating each other's culture. The RSTV collective, led by Mr. C.K. Sharma, Manager PR, coordinated both the programs. It is worth mentioning here that the Qaumi Ekta Week or the Communal Harmony Week was observed all over the country from 19th to 25th November 2021. Pledge taking ceremonies were organized in different departments of RSP in which senior officers and employees took part and pledged themselves to work for the emotional oneness and harmony of all the people of India irrespective of caste, creed, region, religion or language. They also took the vow to resolve all differences amongst themselves through dialogue and constitutional means without resorting to violence. The Personnel Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been taking proactive actions to curb the anticipated menace of the third wave of COVID. It has been conducting several employee engagement programs for creating wider safety net for combating any exigencies arising from the possible third wave. On 26 November 2021, a prize distribution ceremony was organized at ED Mines office to felicitate the winners of the story writing competition held earlier. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, presided over the function and handed over the prizes. Present on the occasion were Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GM in charge Personal Works, Mr. Sanjay Mehrotra, GM Personnel and other senior officers and employees of Odisha Group of Mines and RSP. The first prize was won by Ms. Anushya Mapatra, OCT New Plate Mill, while the second and the third prizes were bagged by Mr. Prafulla Kumar Patra, MOMT HSM and Mr. Jitendra Nath Pandey, MOMT SMS 2 respectively. The recipients of the three consolation prizes were Mr. Kedarnath Hiu, MOMT SSM, Mr. Deepak Kumar Dey, Operator, Coke Ovens and Mr. Kulamani Sahu, Technician, Coke Oven. In all, 16 entries were received in Odia, Hindi and English under the competition, which was based on the theme Personal Experience with regard to COVID-19 awareness. The jury, comprising Mr. Devdatta Satpathy, GM in charge CCW and Ms. Munman Mitra, GM in charge CSR, evaluated the stories. The function was organized by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Manager Personnel.
SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant joined the rest of the nation in observing the Constitution Day on 26th November. Pledge-taking ceremonies were organized at important offices and across different departments of the plant in which executive directors, senior officers, cross-section of executives and employees took the constitutional pledge. The preamble read on the occasion was, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. A mock drill on gas leakage, fire and explosion was conducted at Turbine Hall of Power and Blowing Station (PBS) Captive Power Plant 1 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 25th November 2021 with an aim to enhance preparedness to meet any eventuality arising out of gas leakage, fire and explosion. A part of statutory requirement, the exercise was done to assess the efficacy of on-site disaster management system of RSP and the personnel associated with it. The mock drill was witnessed by Mr. Manoj Mishra, Assistant Director, Factories and Boilers, Government of Orissa, Mr. Naresh Kumar, CGM in charge, Utilities and Environment, Mr. Asim Kumar Behra, CGM, Safety and Fire Services, Mr. Saibal Chakrabarti, CGM in charge, Maintenance, Mr. B.S. Kartha, CGM Power, Mr. K.K. Pandey, GM in charge, EMD, Mr. S.C. Mohanty, GM in charge, Safety, Mr. B. Kullu, GM in charge P&A, and other senior officers from EMD, Transport, Safety, Fire Services, OHSC, CISF and CPP-1 were present on the occasion. The entire team was divided into 3 teams, viz. Combat Team, Rescue Team and Auxiliary Team. The CISF team, comprising 55 personnel, played a key role in the exercise, cordoning off the area for the safe execution of the entire exercise. Notably, similar mock drills were recently conducted in boiler areas of PBS of CPP number 3 and medium pressure boilers area of CPP number 1. At the end of the exercise, review was done by the Assistant Director of Factories and Boilers, CGM in charge Utilities and Environment and GM in charge Safety. The senior officers applauded the whole exercise and suggested further improvements in certain areas. The entire event was organized and coordinated by Mr. S.L. Das, GM in charge CPP3 under the guidance of CGM Power. The collective of the above departments along with CPP-1 played a major role in the successful conduct of the exercise.
A Srujani Mela Cum Award function was organized at the HRD Center of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 26 November 2021. Ms. Rajshri Banerjee, CGM HRD, presided over the function. Present on the occasion were Mr. H.S. Pati, GM HRD, Mr. B.K. Behera, AGM IED, and other officers and employees of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Ms. Banerjee commended on the enthusiastic response of the employees towards Srujani function and encouraged all to come up with ideas and suggestions for the improvement of the plant. Mr. B.K. Behera elaborated on the status of Srujani Creativity Scheme in the department. In all, 14 suggestions were awarded on the occasion, of which 8 have already been implemented. Cash award to the tune of Rs 1600 were distributed. Around 50 fresh suggestions were collected during the Mela. Earlier, Mrs. Annapurna Behera, Manager HRD, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the program. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been committed to the health and well-being of its employees and the residents of the periphery areas. On a regular basis, CSR Department of RSP, in collaboration with ISPA General Hospital, has been organizing health check camps at different locations both within and outside the township. On 26 November 2021, a health camp was organized at Padampur Gram Panchayat Kuarmunda block for the residents of the area through the mobile medical unit. In all, 205 persons were examined and treated by Dr. M.K. Panigrahi, Additional CMO Surgery, Dr. Bibek Mohanta, Senior Consultant Medicine, Dr. Anandita Devta, Consultant Ophthalmology, Dr. Yogesh Pediatric, Dr. Vyasadev Mishra, ONG, Dr. Jitendra Kumar, ENT. Blood sugar and other biochemistry blood tests were also carried out by Ms. Rashmi Priya Kerketa, pathologist. 25 random RBF tests were also done on the occasion. Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in charge MNHS, and Dr. R.R. Mohanty, Deputy CMO MNHS of RSP, visited the camp and interacted with the doctors and patients. Medicines were also distributed for free to the patients. The camps were coordinated by Ms. Munmun Mitra, GM CSR, and Mr. Dushman Pradhan, DGM CSR.
A new Advanced Ovation Distributed Control System DCS of Emerson make was commissioned in the control room of Power and Blowing Station PBS of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP on 24th November 2021. The upgraded system was inaugurated by Ms. Atashi Pramanik, CGM in charge AI and IT, in the presence of Mr. S. Pal Chaudhary, CGM I&A, Mr. B. S. Kartha, CGM Power, Mr. S. C. Patra, GM in charge Instrumentation, and Mr. K. Srinivas, GM in charge E&A. Many other senior officers and employees of Instrumentation and Captive Power Plant 1 CPP1 were also present on the occasion. Notably, the migration to the more reliably technologically advanced new system has been implemented at a cost of Rs 195 lakh under the AMR scheme. The new system will help in optimizing plant operations and envisaging credible multiple benefits to the plant. It is worth mentioning here that the earlier Ovation 3.2 DCS at PBS control room had developed multiple technical issues. The original equipment manufacturer expressed its inability to extend any technical support in view of the system being very old and obsolete. Upgradation of the Ovation system to Windows 10 from Windows XP was also imperative, as no support of the security patches as well as antivirus being available for the old version. Meticulous planning and effective implementation by the team comprising instrumentation, E&A and CPP1 facilitated the smooth and successful changeover to the new futuristic system. The changeover was carried out during the planned maintenance shutdown of Operation Crew, and no additional shutdown was availed for the purpose. It didn't lead to any breakdown during or after the operational of the new system, either in the running of the plant. Besides, the new system has ensured 100% availability of control and instrument systems with enhanced efficiency. A 2-day mushroom cultivation training was organized at the Institute of Periphery Development of Rourkela Steel Plant RSP on 23rd and 24th November 2021. Mr. D. Pradhan, DGM CSR, presided over the closing session of the training program. Also present were other officials of the department. In all, 15 persons of Dumarjor village of Kuarmunda block and Jirpani resettlement colony of Bisra block attended the training program. The sessions included theoretical inputs on Dhingri Chattu mushroom cultivation process along with practical demonstration. After the completion of the training program, each trainee is given a bottle of mushroom seed to cultivate at their respective places and motivate others for the same. The training was imparted by master trainers Mr. Tintus Vengra and Mr. Benedict Ekka, both from CSR department. The function was coordinated by Mr. Benedict Ekka.
Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, a unit of Maharashtra company SAIL, has successfully implemented the SRM supplier relationship management for limited tender equity LTE. In a function organized on 23rd November 2021, the go live of SRM, a key SAP module, was made in the presence of Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge, MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM in charge, F&A, Ms. Atashi Pramanik, CGM in charge, AI and IT, Mr. Somnath Tripathi, CGM MM, Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR, and other senior officers of RSP and Messrs. SAP Limited. Notably, the latest technological intervention is in line with the digital transformation roadmap of the steel plant unveiled earlier this year. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Mahapatra reiterated that implementation of SRM for LTE will ensure more transparency, data accuracy and online availability of information to all stakeholders. He further added that it will herald a new beginning for faster business decision making. Applauding the first effort, Mr. Praveen Nigam in his address urged the team to expedite the process to make live the SRM for open tender cases to ensure the extension of SRM for all types of cases. Mr. S. Tripathi congratulated all the agencies involved in rolling out of the SRM module, while Mr. A.K. Nayak expressed his happiness over extension of SRM for LT cases of the township. Ms. Atashi Pramanik informed the gathering that single tender cases in SRM platform was successfully implemented on 1st June 2020 and congratulated the functional and technical team for making this go live a success. Mr. Subankar Chattopadhyay, Head of Digital Supplies Chain Center of Excellence SAP Labs India Private Limited, praised the dedicated effort made by the team of RSP and consultants of Messrs. SAP and assured the early completion of SRM's open tender and project cases. Notably, the Materials Management Contract Cell Works Township Contract Cell
Finance and Computer and Information Technology Department collaborated with the consultants from Messrs SAP in successfully implementing the advanced technology solution. At the outset, Mr. A.K. Mandal, GM, CNIT, in this welcome address elaborated on the different milestones achieved till date and the road ahead. Mr. P.S. Rao, GM, CNIT and ERP in charge, deliberated upon the techno-functional aspects and the integration of SRM with ECC. Mr. Vinod, Senior Consultant, Messrs SAP Limited, thanked Team RSP for extending support to him as well as two of other consultants of the company, Mr. Abhishek Ganguly and Mr. Bhaskar, in developing functionalities and customizing as per the need of the users. Ms. Shikha Jain elaborated on the functionalities of the SRM module for LT cases. Mr. DC Yadav, Senior Manager, CNIT, coordinated the program and proposed a formal vote of thanks. A Karmabir Award function was held at office of the CGM shops of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant recently. Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM shops, presided over the function and handed over the awards to Mr. Sukru Gaur, Master Technician, Shops Foundries. Present on the occasion were Mr. G. Ganguly, GM Shops Foundry, Mr. S.R. Mahapatra, GM in charge, Shops RSM, Mr. S.R. Mahapatra, GM RSM, and other senior officers and staff of the Shops Department. Mr. Sukru Gaur, Master Technician, Shops Foundries, was awarded for his exemplary work for timely preparation of pattern for casting 18 cubic meter slag pot with incast trunnion to be used by SMS2. The awardee spoke about his inspirations and support received from colleagues in the accomplishments of the job. The senior officers present on the occasion asked the employees to continue their enterprising activities for improving the efficiency of the shops. The program was coordinated by Mr. Dilip Kumar Panda, Senior Manager, Personnel.
The enterprising endeavors of the employees of Captive Power Plant 1 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has helped in cost savings effort of the plant. The team comprising Mr. B.K. Nayak, Mr. Satarpurti, Mr. Manoharan Behera, Master Technicians, Mr. Dhananjay Liangi, Mr. Sudesh Mishra, Mr. Bhikari Tirki, Senior Technicians, led by Mr. Nilmar Chandra Parida, GM CPP1, overhauled a high pressure and temperature steam IBR gate valve of size NB 225 mm using in-house resources. The existing HP steam line valve was having gland leakage and the gearbox assembly had become dysfunctional. It was difficult to operate the valve due to high pressure, high temperature and steam leakage. The team located an old, used and discarded valve which was then inspected and dismantled for further use. The operating gearbox was overhauled, valve seat was polished, damaged thrust bearing was replaced and a new gland packing was provided. All these efforts helped in making it usable again. This helped in arresting the leakage, thereby ensuring safety and bringing about cost savings for the company. In a function held in the department, Mr. B.S. Kartha, CGM Power, felicitated the employees for their innovative and enterprising efforts under the Utkarsh Award scheme of RSP. As a part of the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas observation that was held to commemorate the birth anniversary of Shahid Birsa Munda, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP organized various activities between 15th to 22nd November. In this series, an elocution competition for students was organized by Town Services Education Unit at Ispat English Medium School, Sector 18 for students of RSP run schools on 20th November 2021. Students enthusiastically participated in the elocution competition on the theme Contribution of Shahid Birsa Munda in Indian Freedom Struggle. The competition was conducted in 3 languages, Odia, Hindi and English, in 2 groups, Junior 6 to 8 and Senior 9 to 12. In all, 122 students participated from 14 schools in the Steel Township. The winners in each language of each group will be awarded. The celebration of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas was also observed in Barsua Valley and Tensa area under Barsua iron mines. Elocution competition in Odia and Hindi language was conducted in Ispat High School Barsua and Ispat High School Tensa. A total of 35 students participated from both the schools and also from DAV Tensa and Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Barsua Valley. It is worth mentioning here that as India is celebrating 75 years of independence as the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Government of India has declared the birthday of Shahid Veer Birsa Munda as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, the day dedicated to the tribal freedom fighters. The objective of the competition was to instill the value of contribution of these brave tribal freedom fighters among the students. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.